Welcome to Mystical Minds. I am your host, Jamie Gerard, and today I will be reading poetry and prose from Danny Martin Gerard, author of the Poetic Cues trilogy. His work can be found at DannyGSThoughtForToday.com or Mystical Minds YouTube channel and podcast, co-owned with myself, Jamie Gerard. Dared to believe and persevere. Although the journey may not be easy, and the healing may not come immediately, and you may feel the world crumbling down on you, always remember the ones who had their breakthrough pulled through steadfastly with persistence. They knew the path was paved, and they dared to believe and persevere. Thank you so much, Danny G. That was powerful. And now, I'd like to take a moment with you for gratitude. So if you can, please close your eyes and think about the good in your life right now. I am grateful for my family. I am grateful for my friends. And I am grateful for my wife. What are you grateful for? Now, take a deep breath in and let it out. With love. Thank you so much for listening and have a beautiful day.